series in which now I'll be showing you the beginning of the true line drawing algorithms, namely for this video the DDA line drawing algorithm. In this one, I'll now introduce a new concept to topology line strip, which is different from the rest. Why line strip, not line list? To answer this, line strip in short means just as a strip it's not broken, while a list is normally broken. To draw a continuous line, you need the line strip topology. To draw a broken line with a given set of points, use the line list. That's why I use line list. Now, to initialize the x and y axis, you can see I've initialized them, in which you can interpret for yourself. The x-axis start is the leftmost is the negative one, is the leftmost part of the screen, and one the respective rightmost, and also this for the y-axis. Then the given set of points is the set of that have generated by the DDA algorithm. For the colors section, since this is a two-part question where you need the axis and the points, I've created a function here in the main file to compute the points, to assign color to given set of points depending on the position on the array of the positions list. That's what you can see. If less than 4, takes color black, else takes color blue. Now for the hello.vk.file, there's some given changes that I have to explain, namely the vk.cmd draw command, which is under line 594. In the previous videos you can see it was only one line of code, but now there are 3 instances of the same line of code, as you can see here. Why is this? Since these are 3 lines to be drawn in total, they need 3 drawing commands. Why? The first 2 vertex count. Remember, in computer science or in programming, numbers start from 0. So vertex count of 2 says it takes 2 items from the list, with the first vertex being at position 0, as you can see here, and the instance count of 1, which means 2 instances starting from position 0. 1, 2, that's a vertex count of 2, instance count of 1. For the y-axis, same thing, but starting from the first vertex will be at position 2. Remember, the first vertex is position 0, second position 1, and then the third position 2. That's why you see 2 here. And then for the points, the rest. Now, how have I come up with these points? That's a good question. To answer this, I have the points I already drew a DDA line drawing algorithm. Then after running the code, it generated points for me, which I've now input here. Why I've not done this? To my disadvantage, the buffer command that has been used here, which from my understanding of the documentation is where you can alter to take points normally. I've not fully understood how to handle it, which is a quality buffer. But if you would generate a different file and run the points, run that code to generate points for you, in which this is a final result. Let me expand my screen so that you may see that line. Yeah, apologies if the x-axis is ineligible, but if you take this code and run to your phone as your emulator, there's an x and y axis. Thank you.